Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tech briefing from Computer World. I'm your host, Arnold Davik, reporting from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Here are the top IT stories you need to know for Wednesday, April 8th. From CSO Online, a leaked draft revealed Anthropic's Mythos, a powerful AI model with stronger reasoning and coding. Details of what it calls its most capable AI model yet surfaced through a data leak in its content management system, revealing a LLM with sharply improved reasoning and coding skills. Anthropic reportedly plans a cautious rollout starting with enterprise security teams and early access customers while studying near-term cybersecurity risks. From Network World, Amazon is waiving a month's AWS usage charges for customers using two Middle Eastern data centers after drone strikes damaged facilities and disrupted services. The attacks on March 1st damaged two Amazon data centers in the region, one in the United Arab Emirates and the other in Bahrain, something the company acknowledged the following day. AWS says billing data was not deleted and remains available on request, even though charges will disappear from reports. And finally, from CSO Online, Microsoft is warning WhatsApp users about a malware campaign using malicious Visual Basic script files to gain persistent access. In a March 31st report, Microsoft Defender experts said attackers have been distributing malicious VBS files through WhatsApp since at least late February, relying on social engineering to get them executed. The attack uses delayed execution and trusted Windows utilities. It also pulls payloads from legitimate cloud platforms. The campaign ends by installing MSI packages for persistence and remote access. For more enterprise tech news, visit Computer World, CIO, Network World, and CSO Online. And don't forget to like and subscribe on the Tech Talk YouTube channel.